We are currently heading north towards Albine. Gonna go west and get ahead of this supercell that's raging on. I don't know if you can see that or not, but heading west. Our video, we're right there. Storm's right there. Going north right now. See a little bit of the wall cloud back that way. Gonna try and get in position next 20 minutes or so. Very large tornado on the ground right now. See the left and right and the back side sucking in. Very low basis. I'm gonna film that.
Oh my god, we're gonna get stuck here. The rain is right there.
I
got flying debris. That girl looks cool as heck. Look at that. See that stuff flying?
Oh, power flash. Rush? No, we still got it. Oh, watch that semi.
Oh no!
Okay.
We're on a bridge.
We're on a bridge?
Yeah.
That's okay. We're about to take this storm. A lot of greenage over there. Big time shelf. A little bit of inflow tail. We're going to take it in Kit Carson here in roughly 10 minutes. It'll get interesting.
Woo!
Oh my god. Oh!
What the heck?
We're about to lose the window. Oh my god.
Babe, babe, babe!
We're about to lose the window.
Turn a different way!
I can't. It's gonna blow the side windows out. Very big.
People in the building!
I can't. It's gonna blow your side window out.
No, it won't. Just get parked up right next beside it. Please.
I know. I know. It's done.
No, it's not. Look at that one.
Why did the lights come on? Oh, it hit the roof.
That's gonna run your battery out. Oh, there's cloths in my seat.
I know.
Ow,
I know.
ow.
Just be careful. Well, there's the result. Windshield destroyed completely. Got glass all up in here. After we took the baseballs, we got behind this little thing and rode it out. Luckily we didn't lose the whole windshield, but glass everywhere. What do you think?
I don't even know.
Well, there's that.